This video will be about Windows Copilot, giving you an introduction to AI chatbots. Go ahead and click on the Copilot icon in your taskbar, or by searching Copilot in the Start menu. Once Copilot launches, you are given a window where you can talk with Copilot by sending a message. You can ask any question or ask for a specific output like, "Write me an article about dogs." The article will start writing itself. This is the power of artificial intelligence. Once it's finished, you can follow up with any changes you'd like by simply asking, "Summarize in one paragraph," for example. Then Copilot will condense the article down to one paragraph for you. There are limitless things you can do with AI. You can also talk to Copilot using your voice by clicking the microphone button. "Hello, how are you today?"
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
"Oh, just chillin'."
Sounds ideal. What's been on your mind lately?
That was Copilot. If you want to remove Copilot from your PC, open the Start menu and search for Installed Apps. Search for Copilot. Click on the three dots icon, then uninstall, and uninstall again to confirm. You may also see Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is for the Microsoft 365 Office product. Feel free to uninstall it the same way. Visit controlaltexplain.com for more videos like this.